Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on OPPO Reno8 Z. Okay, so first I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your OPPO. And as a second method, I'll show you how to restore backup from the Google one. So let's begin with the first method. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. In here we can transfer our data. So first select your language, then the region. We need to agree to above terms, and not all of them, only those first from above are necessary. Then click on next. You can also insert your SIM card right now, then click on next. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Just give me a second. Okay, just like that. Now click on next. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now when you have the option to copy out send data, you need to click on next. Use another device, click on next. If you have a cable, you can plug in both devices to each other, but in my case it requires USB-C. The USB-C cable, I don't have a cable like that, so I'll select no cable and we can copy without it. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now on our second device, we need to open up the Google app. Click on next. And then we need to type set up my device, or we can use the voice command. Just like that. Click on next on your old device. Now it's searching for nearby devices. Okay, I think they should connect. Okay, verify the shapes. If they are the same, click on next. Click on copy on your old device. Okay, and now type. We need to type the password to our account on we were logged in on our previous device. Okay, then hit on next. Okay, and now we need to choose what we want to copy from our previous device, of course. Select everything that you want. In my case, I want everything except the apps, and now we can click on copy. Now the process will start. Click on got it. And now we have the Google services. They're really useful, so I'll always keep them enabled. Scroll down and click on accept. Okay, and now we have the basic setup process. In here we can set the unlock method. It's not necessary, so we can click on skip and do it later in the settings. Now we have a question, do we want to continue the setup? Let's click on continue, but if you want, you can always click on leave and get a reminder. And now we have a possibility to get access into our assistant by simply saying, hey Google. I think I can enable it because it's a really convenient and comfortable feature and comfortable way to launch the digital assistant. But of course, everything is up to you. In here, if you want, you can add another email account or review additional apps. I'll just click on no thanks. Okay, now we need to wait until the copying process is finished. It won't take long. Okay, copying is done. We can click on close on our previous device. In here we can click on done. Now we need to wait. Select your navigation method. It can be gestures or the buttons. Click on Next. Click on Done. Now get started. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. So wait until everything gets downloaded and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Alright, so that was the first method, and now let's go straight into the second one, which, like I have said in the beginning, will be how to restore the backup from the Google one. Okay, so now let's go with the second method. Again, we are doing the setup process. Now click on Next. But now this time we need to click that we cannot use other device. Click on OK. Okay, and now we need to log in into our Google account on which we made the backup before. It's really important, because if we log in now into wrong Google account, we won't be able to restore the chats. Also, if you don't know how to create a Google backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it on this device. So if you want, you can look for it. So now we need to type the mail. Okay, now we need to type the password. And click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Agree. Okay, and now we need to select the backup that we want to restore. So select the backup that you want. Okay, I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. And now choose what you want to restore. Once you have selected everything that you want, hit Restore button. Okay, now we have the Google services. Click on Accept. Select your default search engine. I'll pick the Google. Click on Next. And now we can select the unlock method. I'll skip it because we can always do it later in the settings. Okay, now we have a question: do we want to continue the setup or leave and get a reminder? I'll click on Continue. And here scroll down and you can agree to launch the digital assistant by saying, "Hey Google." I'll agree to that because why not? And now we can also allow our assistant unlock screen. Okay. Okay, now select your navigation method. It can be buttons or the gestures. I'll always pick the buttons. Now, click on Done. Click on Get Started. Alright, and now we are ready to use our device. Don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, just like I was saying in the previous method, because some of the things might still be installed from the Play Store. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.